time for some Unit 2 practice. Let's warm up with our sounds. A apple, a. A safe, a. E egg, e. E jeep, e. I itch, I. I pine, I. O octopus, ah. O home, o. U up, U mule, U. U rule, oo. CH chin, ch. TH thumb, SH ship, sh. Okay, so we're going to go through our sounds. The idea is that you say them before I do. We're going to go across to begin. Qu, sh, I, a, o, I, b, ch, d, e, u, ah. Okay, same idea. You're going to say the sound before I do. This time we're going to go from top to bottom. Qu, I, d, sh, o, e, I, b, u, a, ch, ah. Okay, so we're going to do some word chaining. And we're going to start with this word. And this word says, this word says cub. Now if I add an E to the end of cub, my word becomes, cube. If I change a letter here, my word is no longer cube, it is, cute. If I change the beginning from cute to, the word becomes mute. I'm going to change mute to, mate. I'm going to change mate to male. I'm going to change male to, mile. I'm going to change mile to, mule. I'm going to change mule to, mole. I'm going to change mole to, soul. Awesome job chaining. Let's read 2 phrases. If you need to pause the video now to practice reading these phrases on your own, go ahead and do that now. And then we'll come back together to review the phrases. Let's look at the first one. First word, a. Next word, poke. Next word, in. Next word, the. Last word, side. Let's put the words together to read the phrase. A poke in the side. The next phrase just has 2 words. First word, drive. Next word, home. What's the phrase say? Drive home. Okay, so we're going to do some spelling now. Say chase. Tap chase. Chase. There are 3 sounds in chase. What says ch? CH says ch. A. S. How do we make A say A? We add an E at the end. Spell chase. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. Next word, say mole. Tap mole. M-ole. There are 3 sounds in mole. Let's write the sounds. M-ole. How's O gonna say O? We need our E at the end. Spell mole. M-O-L-E. Mole. Next word. Say sheep. Tap sheep. Sheep. There are 3 sounds in sheep. What says sh? Yes, S-H. What says E? E-E. Okay, go ahead and spell sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Next word, say fume. Tap fume. Fume. Okay, what letters do we need? Fume. Oh, you know what I've been doing? I've been making a mistake here. Let me fix it. So here, my E, and here, my E need to be with my other letters. There we go. Okay, my mistake. Yep, there we go. Okay, fume. Spell fume. F-U-M-E, fume. Say shine. Tap shine. Shine. There are 3 sounds in shine. What says sh? Yes, S-H says sh. Shine. And how are we going to know that I is going to say I? Because we need that E. Okay, spell shine. S-H-I-N-E. Okay, let's start at the top and read our words. Okay, first word, yes, chase. Next word, yes, mole. Next word, yes, sheep. Word, yes, fume. Word, yes, shine. Let's read from the bottom up now. Word, 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 word. Okay, time to spell some sentences. Okay, here we go. Oh, you know what? I have phrases. So, no sentences, just 2 phrases today. Okay, our first phrase is a pile of socks. How many words are in our phrase, a pile of socks? A pile of socks. We have 4 words. If you want to go ahead and pause the video now to write your phrase on your own, that would be awesome. And then come back and hit play again so that we can review the phrase. So, A. Okay, I'm going to use a lowercase a because it is a phrase. Pile sounds in pile. Pile. Right now it says pill, but in order to say pile, we need that silent E at the end. A pile, got our finger space, of, O-F, of, finger space. Say socks. Ooh, socks. I hear a suffix S there. What's the base word of socks? Yes, sock. Sounds in sock, S-A-K. When we spell sock, we use C-K, and then we'll make it plural. Socks. Let's read our phrase. Ready? A pile of socks. Awesome. Next phrase, say drive a truck. How many words are in our phrase, drive a truck? Drive a truck. We have 3 words. You need to pause the video so you can write it on your own, and then we'll check your work together. The first word is drive. Sounds in drive, drive. In order for I to say I, we need our E. Finger space. We don't need uppercase letters because it's just a phrase. Drive a, finger space, sounds in truck. And we're going to use CK again to make the K sound at the end of our word. Okay, let's read our phrase. Ready? Drive a truck. Awesome job today. We'll see you again next time.